Welcome back to Automatic Addication. Whoa, what might have been? Reaching deep into the vault, Domagoj Dukek, head of design at BMW, recently shared exclusive designs of the i8 replacement on Instagram. Dukek refers to the car as the i16 throughout the essay, claiming to have been directly involved in it. The i16 had all the style of a future classic, but there were still novel touches that moved the design forward from the M1, Dukek said to Instagram. In less than a year, the car was prepared on the inside as well. Utilizing the BMW i8's composite structure was crucial. There are a few indications if you examine closely. Although the i16 was never realized, there was a moment when we believed it might. Ever since BMW unveiled the Angular Vision M Next concept in 2019, there has been speculation as to whether this vehicle might eventually replace the company's unique and exotic i8 hybrid sports car. We anticipated that the new vehicle would sport i8M badging to denote upgrades like greater power, a longer electric driving range, sportier styling, and a more competent chassis. Regretfully, our future historians were blind to the fact that BMW would abandon the project in 2020 as the COVID-19 pandemic spread. The initial Vision M Next concept promised 591 horsepower from a mid-mounted turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. However, the sketches don't disclose any revised numbers. At the time, BMW calculated a 3.0-second 62 mph pace and a 186 mph top speed. The pictures that Dukek released show a good blend of the original i8 and the Vision M Next, but they also have BMW's current design language integrated in. The angular front fender intakes and hood are very similar to the modern M3 and M4 sedans, and the taillights are so thin that they seem like they may have come straight off the assembly line of the iX. Even though BMW never went ahead and actually built the i16, it's still fascinating to peek behind the scenes, and we'll always hope to see an electric BMW supercar at some point in the not-too-distant future.